3, 2, 1, let's go, grabando. If you have at home tomatoes, garlic, and onion, check it out, this recipe is amazing. It's delicious. Hello pachangueros and pachangueras, welcome back. We are doing amazing food. Today we are making meatballs with spaghetti. Or spaghetti and meatballs? Let's check it out. Hey pachangueros, don't forget, leave a comment below. Give me a heart. So this is the result of our spaghettis and meatball. So let's try it. Let's see how it is. Ah, look at this, look at this. Ooh. Amazing. It's really delicious. This is a real recipe. See you next time, guys. Check my other videos, leave a comment below. Bye!